Hello, my name is Lane Wright, reporter for Sunshine State News, and this is a Florida Minute.
Hi, I'm Rick Scott. I'm running for governor in the great state of Florida.
Thanks for joining us for this Florida Minute. Tell us about job creation in the state of Florida and what you plan to do specifically.
Well, as we know, we've got a big problem in Florida. We've got the highest unemployment on record in the state, so we've got to have a governor that's going to go be the job creator. They're going to have to look at our state budget and say, are we wasting money? Are we spending money that we don't need to, that are causing companies to think about staying here or even not moving here? Are we look at our regulation? We're 45th out of 50 states in regulation. What regulation makes sense for Floridians is hurting us and hurting job creation, hurting our companies. And finally, you've got to have a governor that's going to go out and make sure companies stay here and keep their jobs here, but also get companies to move here from other states that have higher taxes, worse regulation, things like that. We have a great state.
Speaking of regulation, what kinds of regulation specifically might help attract more businesses if we got rid of them?
Well, you know, we've got to keep the regulation and make sure we keep the environment the way we have it. We all moved here because we love our beaches and our environment and things like that. But there are things that make our employers, makes it more difficult for them to make money, build jobs and things like that. So they say, oh, I can go to another state that doesn't have things like that.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks a lot.